Hello, my name is Faris here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham, and today I'm going to be taking you on a 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen T28 Transporter Highline. This vehicle comes in the short wheelbase format and features a 2-litre TDI diesel engine pushing out 110 PS. The vehicle also comes with a 5-speed manual transmission. This example comes finished in the Pearlescent paint colour deep black. Across the front of the van it features LED headlights with LED daytime driving lights. Also set into the front bumper is a set of front parking sensors as well as front fog lamps with a cornering function. Down below across all four wheels we'll find the 16-inch Clayton alloy wheels which come in a 5 twin-spoke star design. A full-size steel spare wheel is also provided. Towards the rear of the vehicle, we'll find a tailgate with a heated rear window, and located just above the rear number plate is a rear view reversing camera. This paired with the rear parking sensors helps you make every parking maneuver with confidence. Behind the tailgate and into the load area of the vehicle, it comes in a factory fresh condition, complete with multiple lashing points dotted throughout the load area floor. Separating the load area from the cab is a full steel black bulkhead. Access into the load area can also be found on the passenger side of the vehicle. There's a step on the side allowing easy access into and out of the load area. Up front in the driver's cab area we have a twin armrest seat for the driver. Next to this we'll find a twin-seater passenger bench with some under-seat storage. The seats come finished in the bricks woven cloth fabric upholstery, and in the forms of entertainment, in the centre of the dash we'll find a 6.5-inch colour touchscreen multimedia system. This system allows users to access all their favourite radio stations as well as utilise the App Connect feature, allowing you to connect your smartphone device to the vehicle using Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Beneath the touchscreen are the climate controls. The van comes with 2 front heated seats as well as climatic air conditioning, and further down to the left we'll find a 12V and 2 USB Type-C charging points. The driver also has access to a 3-spoke multifunction leather trimmed steering wheel. That will conclude this 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen T28 Transporter Highline. Thank you very much for watching and goodbye.